Yo guys, what is up? It's your boy Justin here, or Torcio, and today I want to talk about why I started investing into VOO a week ago, and I want to show you guys what the results were. So if you don't know what VOO is the ticker symbol for the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, and it's an exchange traded fund that it aims to track the performance of the S&P 500 index. VOO basically just owns the top 500 stocks, just like the S&P 500. And I know this is a slower way of making money, but I want something safe and something that has gone up in value over time. So I'm just a cool 22-year-old dude from Cali, and this is not financial advice. So being self-employed for a couple years has made me really grateful, and I need to put the money I make in a serious place, investing it into the right places. If you've seen my other uploads, I talk a lot about Bitcoin. VOO is still something I want to get into. So last week I deposited an initial investment of $535. Then I set up daily buys to buy every day for $35. The stock market is only buyable for 5 days during the week anyways, so it's really only 5 days a week. $35 investment every day would only be $175 a week. That's $700 a month, and I think that's a very safe number to invest. I also deposit the same amount into Bitcoin every month, so a big chunk of my overall pay goes straight to these two investments. I want to grow my portfolio in the future, but for now, VOO and Bitcoin are the only investments I really understand, and I want to invest in it. So if you guys have any tips for investments, let me know down below. Also, let me know what you guys hold in your investments and what your long-term plays are. For me, these are long-term plays. Even after a week, it's just the start, and I hope to make these videos weekly or multiple times a month, so we'll see overall if it was a smart decision. Hopefully my income will stay the same or increase so I can continue to make daily buys. So let me show you guys the chart on my VOO. So we started the week with an initial investment of $535. We spent $175 on VOO in the first week with the daily buys. Our total for the account at the end of the week was $707.95. So we actually lost $2.05 because the overall investment was the $710, leaving us with a negative profit. This was just the first week, and I'm sure we will be in the green soon. So I just wanted to show you guys the real numbers and how long you actually have to hold something like VOO. So I hope you guys come back to see future profits or losses, and make sure to subscribe. If you guys want to start doing daily buys for VOO, I'm going to leave my sign up link for Robinhood down below, so you guys can click that and get a free $30 of stock when you sign up. Make sure you guys do that so you guys can get a head start when you start investing, and it'll also help out the channel as we are not monetized yet. And I also did a video just like this about Bitcoin, so if you guys want to see that, I uploaded about 2 days ago, so make sure you guys go check it out. I just finished my first week of investing on Bitcoins. That was an amazing video, and it made me want to make this one too. If you guys are in your 20s like me, I really recommend investing because it's going to help you start your long-term goals, and you're going to have much more time to actually build your wealth. So starting young is the best thing you could do, and if you've seen this as a 20-year-old, this is your chance to start now, and you guys might as well just start throwing all your money into VOO and Bitcoin. Also, I'm not a financial advisor, like I said. I'm doing pretty good, and I want to see other people do good too. I know I lost money, but eventually it's going to be in the green. Like I said, I imagine the profit will be soon, hopefully next week. So make sure you guys check this back. Even in your 30s, 40s, and 50s, I think it's still not too late to invest, but if you're 20, you have so much more time, and the investments are going to be so much more higher. Like I said, in your 30s, 40s, 50s, you should still invest, and you should still have goals for your future. I really want to see if VOO or Bitcoin is better. So overall, we're going to find that out together. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good one. Peace out.